Osas Amama Ogohia Berak. You don't fear. They don't tell you. You gotta put that beret for them. Ogo Berak. For that fool bini. A gossy the way cry. Yakianeru, I go say, Ata. Ogogwa. I can put that bread for them. May no, I never took, this bread don't do that many years. I do fly. Now big bird wey know himself when they know, when men know, when they crown, go feel we are red but everything go on it. If you feel fly blue beret is normal. When they put red, when you fly the red, when they put ego, beware! You had the red, you want sharp. Open this stout. You there UK, come on for UK. They will say, man, not talk, I'll boss Binio. I go boss Binio. If I talk, they will say, man, look. See, I will call name, eh? If I say, the name when they call, they give una they use to they play. They say, I don't to respect you now. Most people they I'll come one day. I'll put their place say, come. They'll say, smile, don't do. They don't say because I like them. If I don't like you, I don't come paste your picture. But senior men, where they for that town, if I say they use me till they play, I don't want to call name. Who be this rat come for UK? They help me for being too rugged of me, but Obazee. If na money, we got this man get. They threaten my parents. Everybody lock up since yesterday. It's so sad. We gods will not serve. I believe it. Jacko! Go cry for me. Not be said. Jacko go fight for me. That's what I believe on. Who is these motherfuckers? And then there's this man, look. See! Oh, I don't understand. For now understand, eh? This man contracting my family for Nigeria. My papa, my mama, not a sleep maker. This man come. I want to see a video. Contracting Eyema. Papa, and mama for parents. Padinoa. If you know this man, go arrest him. If you know arrest him, I swear to God Almighty, Padinoa will use you to see for the next 1 month. He blind say, I don't think they bros you. Blind say the bros, when I only call you, he blind say, you know, they two get are clear. The bros, when you come American self, you know, you know when they talk. They see scared what they do. This can't see what you supposed to do, say, no, they get anybody. Now this can't see what they do, so now they think it's coming somebody's house. Somebody come from UK, Padinoa. Somebody come from UK, contracting my parents. You did that. Nobody's getting on they fight for. This man contracting my parents. The video there everywhere. Padinoa, Okpemo will give you security. Baba, when you come America for a year. I know now. We dey talk now. Why this kind of person go to threaten my parents? You go there, you don't go talk. Why no? Tell us they come. Obazee man, no, you not consent there. No, you not consent there. Attack, but Padinoa, you there. But they vex for you. I don't even not call me. I don't leave my WhatsApp. And they vex for you. Enough is enough for the bullshit. Enough is enough for self-interest. If I want my business, I was a sick blood daylight. Now they fuck up. Now I spoil the game. And I spoil up Padinoa. You say, oh, Okpemo will give security. You see this small picture. You know this small about they give me a parent. Padinoa. They're gonna feel treating your man like that. You're lacking. Not be your man will give security. May you get alpha. Baba, I'm not going to answer it before, but what this guy do, you not talk, he don't make me a bros, no verse. I'm going to begin to disrespect you now. I swear to God. He don't say, I don't to help you, and I don't to regard you, and I don't respect you. For Obazee, for you who take on this boy. Since Madam Obazee, Papa not get the one with the day. Why go? Baba, I better not call me. I don't read my words. I cannot say if I tell you, if you know your big call me. When he calling me, I calling me. My way will be gone because he bless you they do agada. But you know you they do agada. Me, and you cannot rock it in when I be. Jacko, believe me, I don't take no sense. For security where you be for that door, this man come for London. Even said a barrow, but I never go anybody's house once. But this man come from UK, they believe there. They thought say, and they want to go to my parents for house. And now you, they put for the security. Why not call this man say come for a door for a year? Don't attack anybody's house. So now maybe probably know I'm now maybe security this is where they put why they don't attack anybody? But you know Papa, if you call me again, I swear to God Almighty, I will never pick your call. You know, I don't go pick your call again. You are going picky. Papa, I don't be so picky, no. You are going pick. You are going pick. Everything you are going pick. This man around me for being too rugged of me. This staff come up for UK. They say, not talk. They treating my parents. We not send about anything. People we don't hold every day by day. Treating my parents. So what are you doing? It's for you to present the property and everything for a door. This useless man come from UK. I swear to God. But you know, if you not do anything, put my regards for you is 0. Straight. Because that time when she for look on that day, Obazee, she for look on that they do things where about my go be allowed. We go talk truth. She for look on that just day. That time Obazee. Now she for look on with everybody. Now, one of the G now you're the G now. Somebody they 30 sick man, Papa, your man for us. You they alone there, and you say you be security. Papa, not call me again. I don't even know. Why like when you calling me? And we also we don't start to where everybody will pack the house. Yeah, squad there. Oh, hey, now beside with there. Inside too many. This useless animal. Oh, sir, they just say, and the quarter of my parents for house. You win against security. Say, come and say, how far? This state for this state. Where? I attack a parent summer. But you know, I call him, you give me phone where? I don't too respect you. I call him, because if I don't remember Iyaga, just the press me. Where go you? You know where I call him. I call him now. Whoa, he got it. You want to get yard of your way. You were hammer way now. The very rugged and butter man. The very rugged. Very butter. Oh, yeah. This guy. No, not call me again. This guy call him. Oh, but he's smart. Sorry, machine. Hey, help me. Oh, one Florida. This rats. He barely found now. He barely found now. I don't settle that again. Oh, they. I don't settle that again. But you who look qua? Because who are interest. Whatever. Oh, Danana, can you carry? Where, Paddy Noah? A paralistic. Well, I call him the whole so me video now. You wait for where? I'm too rocket for the size. But for you, very better. You say the fast security matter for a door. You see this man call a door from UK. That one, the boss she fair do his own. No, not talk. This one can't do say, what can I do? What's it when I call him or my kenje? I want to one word, and you call J. Why go? What's it called? This man can't be me. This Obazee can't be me. Can't get my parents. Oh, go here, go like me, sure. Obazee, Amama. Where's your one? Ah, God. If you see, if you not sleep past, no question about that. They say they beg me say my chi. I cannot make that shit. To arrest there. It big chi. Everybody boss. Make like party door. It get where things go reach. You also go back out for that time. Because if the promise and they started, you know they block to kind thing when they like. You come to America for you, which day you come out. I call you, we talk. You if you call me for business, but I'll listen to you, but see this idiots. Everybody calling you for where you're blessed. I don't respect you. May you respect you when you are. But you know I respect you why? Never. For our culture, yeah. Forget that level. That time so when Chief Olukoka dead there. Not like this, they stop. Nobody touch anybody. That time Chief Olukoka there with Obazee. Nobody touch anybody. I never hear so Chief Olukoka come do a matter. But this on the G so Baba. Or that never talk to you. They're gonna get it home, Baba. You will know me. Where? It's not America when I did Baba. Those men. For not gonna find a sister. You don't know. For not find a sister. You don't know. They pay me say at the America. Man, which more punishment say how far now will go. Any smart Obazee why that drove in here or Makaya. And by you go there to security. You see this man, but you know this is why they call your name. Open put for security regime. Now you there so. See this man they catching their parents now. What do you talk roots? A man not catching their parents, man. Baba, what do you talk roots? Since yesterday, Baba, I never have to make any statement say, this test though, I have been on more. I catch anybody money. Boss the man, I'm not chatting a parents in me. Baba, I don't hear them. Why not tell you say, no, they made us smart about them, Baba, they be gay. What about what? See, this guy will be back me before. Nah, make me quick. That's why they get up to the guy. I go kill many people. Parents of Bini. They're mad. I ain't got to do the thing. If you not cash or cash, the one way you go collect her. That's how they work. So I'm no man, no one year me. I'm going to pay you. So now we're ready. Who are Agbo? Help me. Why idiot come from London? Say that security. I don't put on. He testing my parents for house. You did testing my parents for house. Help me. Smart Obazee. Oh, you like me to what? Anything we want to do now, I want to do. If not that man they bogo, if not pray, but not what they do now, no shaking. If not parents, you can't go the bogo parents for us. Now what they do now, no wahala. We go follow na doing. Abi, very one vera, veje eri mene, eri one mene. Abi, why mene we? Egbe so wa so everywhere you are. A security magazine ya wa. Wa me police ni ya very me. So anyone be je. So without the hot talking me. Egbe so no way ni anya but no fit ko e. Awo be aya yo egbe eri on sunu. Egbe so aya no we ni but no fit ko any. No fit ko abo si any. Any wo bo collect e. Eri ya be collect e. Eri boy asu egbe so. Because so no one anyway, so give me so there was a call anyone. No, I saw the where I did get or finish here. But so here you got your grant them for grant. They mad. Help me! This boy, they mad me. Oh, it's about man, they get my parents. And all for me, Madam Obazee. See, Mona found this boy for me. Mona found this boy. He don't believe that now. Already though. But you know what? Baba, if you like vet, I don't vet. But it's so sad. Say your regime. This man, they threaten somebody's parents. You don't talk anything food. It's so sad. Somebody come from UK. Your regime. The steps what they give you. This man, they threaten somebody's parents. You never do anything to her. Baba, may you for where? Mama, Baba, may you hate me. Marry cool. Marry cool. Because I say, when they do the setting, they not understand. But they know, marry cool. Oh, marry cool. As Mario say. In my way, Mario say, if you see this video, you're not saying you're versed. Mario say, more beyond me. Vake kuwa Mario say, oh, because they turn me down, say my chi, but people they insult my parents. It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. Why go? Now you they give, may control everything, but I don't know why go yo. Make I igbonigi what I call him me. Where the year west smart Obazee, where smart But I mean that in our me, but why go? What begging you? Make I moan here. Why do we moan my dad? And they are where? Eh? I will block most of Nigeria today. But by your, but you know what? This is why they measure your name. Now you be the security listing for a door. So this man they talk. But you don't see that video. He detected my parents. You supposed to call this Marcelade is 39. I 39. We are going to 39. It is for the Obazee. What? What we are getting what? But my telling why he calling me? Maybe call what? Well, my hand in the year for the Obazee. Not worry. Not worry. Everybody, if you see me, if I don't do all of our collect this time, and I will not collect. If I say, oh, baby, I say, I told John on here, but when I want to make can, because if you not come, I just the peak before you know, and I will do video again. You I say, I don't do. Yeah, my brother, he quit. Open this man. Open this man. Open this man. I think it is my parents. Who he be? What I tell me? Who he be? Share this video. What go? Oka say anything. Ogo gbera gbisuwe. Ah gbera gbisu. Ogo ya gbera gbisuwe. Wa afia go na video o. Wa ku no kwa. Me. Ah you want my mama. Agu we. Oh. Wa afia go na video o. Ogo gbera gbisuwe.